Hey, what's up everyone, Nate here back at you with another tech video, and this is the Chipolo Plus Bluetooth tracker. There are a ton of Bluetooth trackers on the market today that essentially do the same thing, but the Chipolo Plus stood out to me for multiple reasons, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you why you should buy this colorful device over its many competitors. Like most trackers, the Chipolo Plus links to your phone via Bluetooth and can help you locate lost possessions through an app. The app itself is very responsive, well designed, and so far hasn't crashed or bugged out. Using the app, you can link, name, and ring your pair Chipolos, as well as see them on a map. Pairing the Chipolo Plus to my phone was a breeze. All I had to do was click it and the app did the rest. The speaker on Chipolo Plus, used to alert you of its location, is fairly loud, but I would have liked it a bit louder. If you happen to have a valuable that you lost in a sealed bag, it is going to be pretty hard to hear. I realized that they kept the speaker at this volume to keep the form factor to a minimum, but to be honest, I would rather be able to find my $500 camera than have a thinner device. Now you might be thinking, what would happen if I were to lose my phone? Wouldn't the Chipolo Plus be useless? The answer is no. You can actually use Chipolo Plus itself to locate your phone by double tapping it. This sends a signal to your phone telling it to start ringing, even if your ringer is disabled. The only downside to this feature is that it will only work if your phone is in Bluetooth range. The build quality of this device is nothing to rave about, but it's definitely decent. Essentially, the whole outer shell of the Chipolo Plus is plastic, but it is very durable and also IPX5 water resistant, so if your travels and adventures happen to get you a bit wet, you don't have to worry. There's also a hole so you can attach Chipolo Plus to a bag or keychain. As you can see by the bright blue color of this product, the creators of this device were definitely going for an eye-catching design. Now, blue is not the only color you can get. There is also red, yellow, green, black, and white color variants to choose from. The price of Chipolo Plus is one of its strongest selling points, coming in at only $25. I realize that there are cheaper trackers on the market, but none of them have as many features for this price. Overall, Chipolo Plus is definitely worth the money. Not only is it inexpensive, but it also could save the day if you're prone to losing stuff. Before I end the video, I would like to give a big shout out to Chipolo for sending me their product to review. And as always guys, I am Nate from Everyday Technology, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.